Using Garvin's dimension of quality, here's our comparison. Unahin natin ang traditional jeepney. Ito ay ginagawa mostly by local manufacturer at ginagamit na for decades as the king of the road. Available siya sa nationwide lalo na sa cities at provinces. Pamasahe sa around 12 pesos minimum at diesel powered ito. Strength niya ay accessibility at mura. Next, ang e-jeepney. Ito ay part ng government modernization program produced by accredited manufacturers. Usually makikita sa urban routes, pilot tested sa mga cities, pamasahe is a bit higher around 14 pesos to 15 pesos minimum. Pero electric powered kaya mas eco-friendly. Tahimik siya, mas comfortable pero limitado pa ang charging station at medyo mahal pa ang unit. Performance. Jeep ay reliable sa kahit anong daan pero e-jeep mas tahimik at environment friendly. Durability. Jeep tumatagal ng dekada, e-jeep lifespan depends on battery. Conformance. Jeep hindi pasok sa clean air standards pero e-jeep compliant sa modernization. Future. Jeep simple seating, walang aircon, e-jeep mas organized, may aircon at auto-doors sa iba. Serviceability. Jeep madaling ipaayos kahit saan. E-jeep limited pa ang service centers at mahal ang battery replacement. Recommendation and conclusion. For traditional jeepney, dapat i-upgrade ang makina para less smoke at improve seating from comfort. For e-jeepney, kailangan ng government support like subsidies. Kung affordability and accessibility, jeepney ang panalo. Pero kung modernization and sustainability, e-jeep is a better in the long run. Our final take, e-jeep ang mas magandang option for the future. Pero kailangan pa ng improvements para maging practical for everyone.